Today let's go into the options market using expert option, which is also part of the financial market. Okay, let's go. And the moment you open your application, that is the expert option, you will land on this interface which has an area chart. So what you do to change it, you go here, click on this icon on the bottom left corner and select this. Then choose the chart type like a candle, which is a candlestick chart here, and then choose the time frame. Like me, I usually use 1 minute time frame, and thereafter you confirm. The next thing is to choose a high paying asset by looking at the rewards in terms of percentage. Okay, like this Euro USD is paying 83%, so it is the highest, and after selecting that you confirm. But before we begin to trade, let me remind you some of the features of expert option. If you want to trade on real account, you click on this arrow which is facing down. Okay, so you will see this like this is my real account. I traded a few months ago and I have $0.15. That's what I have. So currently I'm using a demo account, which is they had given me $10,000. Now I'm on 14,371 because I've so far made a profit of 43,071, other 4,371.90 profit. But this is not withdrawal because it is a demo account, which means it's just funds for practicing. All right, so once you click on these tiny bars at the top left corner, you are going to access these features, right? Number 1, to trade, profile, finance, become a partner. I just want to talk about then the battle. So let me talk about only those 5. So with the trade, that is where you go to trade. Then with the profile, that's where you create your profile. Then with the news, those are just news about options, especially expert. Then become a partner, that is if you want to promote expert option. The battle, those are the competitions, the trading competitions you engage in and you win prizes. All right, so let's go to trade. So when we click on trade, we shall get back here. All right, so when you click on finance, you'll come to know the deposit and withdraw methods and the minimum. So let's click on finance and we click on deposit. So if I click on deposit, you are going to see the deposit methods that you can use in your country. All right, and so you can see all these are my deposit methods available in my country. I can use mobile money, Airtel, Tigo, Visa, Maestro, and MasterCard, Binance Pay, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is crypto. And in all this, what I don't know is this Tigo, but the rest I can use to deposit. Okay, all right, so let me just place 2 trades and we see how it goes. And particularly when I'm placing a trade, rather I first change on the time frame, and as I showed you, to do that you go here, right? That you click here and you tap on this one. Okay, and you can see me, I usually use 1 minute and on candles and the candle chart, right? If you want, you can go to an area chart, which is the default on expert option. You can use a line chart or you can also use a bar chart, but me I use a candlestick chart. So after that you click on confirm. All right, here you click on. So after confirming, now what's next? Let me do my simple analysis. So let me pick just a line by clicking here once again, and once I tap here, I'm also going to tap on this pen icon, right? And I click there. Then this will pop up, this one. So let me use the horizontal line, and I can choose the color. Let me just yeah, I can go with the white. No, Let me just change it a bit. You tap on the color, then you can choose. Let me go with this one, then you click on confirm. So you can see this is you can as well delete this one. So if you want to delete these lines, you have to again click here. You have to click here, and as you can see there is number 2, right? So again click here on this pen icon. Okay, so when you click on this added 2, you are going to see the tools you have already added, the lines. So if you want to delete, you can click on this X. So let me just delete that one of white, and I remain with 1. Okay, so for example, this one I want to bring it here. So you can see here, by the time this this account has closed, so I want to buy. And if I want to buy, I'll just click on this one. You have to be very fast, by the way. So let me just click on buy. You know, they are going to be paying me 85 this time %. So, and I'm staking $200. So let me see, by the time 1 minute elapses, when price is above my entry here, I will be in a profit. I'll gain 85% of $200, so which is $170 as the profit. So once it goes 1 minute clocks and is below, the candle closes below, then I will be in a loss of the total $200. That's how it works. So you can see price is moving up. All you have to do is to just wait and see how it will play out. So you follow the trend. You must be having at least a knowledge of candlesticks, right, to do this. So let's see how it goes. And if you want to observe how your trade is going, you just go here. So let me just click there, and you can see this is my running trade. It is about to finish, right? 1, 2, 3. Wow. So you can see I have gained a profit of $170. Okay, so you can say I have made a profit of $170 just within 1 minute. So that's how expert options work, or expert option works, or options market work. So when somebody tells you that you can make money like in 1 minute, you make $200 in 1 minute, yes, it is possible, but it depends on a number of factors. And number one, the capital you are using. You cannot stake $200 if you have like $200 or even $300. There you are not applying risk management. It's all about risk management, and again the capital you are using. That's it for today, and the next video I want to show you how you can use indicators on expert option. All right.